First condition's pretty obvious, stay out of trouble. Second one's pretty obvious, show up for court. And the third one, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription for the substance. Can you counsel your appearance?
Order CQP 61917 to be adopted without your Anderson. On my
Thank you.
They set up for show cause during the briefing. Judge, as it relates to your random playful reading stand meetings, I haven't been able to pre-trial the case. City attorney's agreed to dismiss the brief driving all
Good.
license. Either the license of rights which do they have so.
All right, Mr. Anderson, you understand your rights? You understand your options because of those rights? You understand the possible penalty for allowing? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge? Doing so freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus while you were suspended, revoked, or denied on October 4, 2023?
Yep.
Mr. Kuhn, you satisfied?
Yes.
So am I. I'll dismiss the drove while license suspended charge. What should I know about this gentleman before I sentence him?
22 years old, 2 children at home, hard worker, is working right now. Just paid approximately $4,000 a few months ago. Quite honestly, luckily he caught this early. He's 23, so he's not paying as much as other guys who are older, but he's getting his stuff together now, Judge. This is his last stop.
Good.
He has a valid permit. Once he resolves this, he'll be able to
Beautiful.
get his license.
Beautiful.
So,
Where are you working?
Poco.
Oh, the barricade guys? Yeah, that's probably full-time plus, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. How long you been with them? Oh, new job. Okay. All right.
Job and great work history.
Yeah. Good. Good. Yeah, I think Poco's a pretty good job, isn't it? Yeah. Benefits, the whole 9 yards. Yeah. Good. Good. Yeah. So I've always wondered about people that work for Poco. Where do you report for work? Because they're all over the friggin' state.
Kansas, Shove, and Detroit, and Michigan.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you work there, or do they send you out to pick stuff up and put stuff down? Okay. 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 All right. You're a sign technician.
So,
Anything you want me to know before I sentence you?
I really can't say.
Okay. All right. All right. When are you working? What days are you working?
So the week was, but I work 15, but I have my kids.
Okay. How old are the kids?
6 to
Okay. All right. Fines that cost $600. Can you pay that today, or do you need some options? You can go downstairs and set that up. Front counter. You're welcome. Good luck on that new job. Donovan Lyles.
We want to attend USP 649 on the 7th of every day. Mr. Mike, approaching from Circuit Codes, everything, please.
Donovan Loftus.
Judge, there is a time of day scheduled for show cause granted in pre-trial. Been able to discuss the city attorney. I've also been able to talk at and as it relates to the array, we wait for reading, please not get.
Thank you.
That's the reason he missed. I don't know, to reflect on the file. He was struck by an automobile 2 days.
Ouch.
Since the day. He's been.
How you doing?
He was back, but he told my kidneys stapled in the stomach.
You got hit good then.
Yeah, I still got surgery, so.
Good luck.
That's just the point.
Yeah.
We're looking to get our hands on some discoveries in my back. And
Sure.
This case.
All right. June 18th. What time do we want to do that, Heather?
Perfect.
Who's that with?
You.
Us? All right. So, Mr. Lyles, I'm going to put you on a personal bond. We'll get you notice for this court date. First condition's pretty obvious. Stay out of trouble. Second one's pretty obvious. Show up for court. And the third one, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription for the substance. Can you live with those rules?
Yes.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you mess that up? Any questions? You're all set. We'll get you notice and get you out of here.
I appreciate it.
The court addressed the matter involving Anderson, who was accused of operating a vehicle while his driver's license was suspended. After being advised of his rights and confirming that he understood the legal proceedings, Anderson chose to accept responsibility and entered a guilty plea. The judge approved the agreement, dismissed the original charge, and imposed a $600 fine as the final penalty. Before concluding the hearing, the judge instructed him to speak with court staff regarding payment arrangements, highlighting the court's willingness to provide options for individuals who may need additional time to satisfy their financial obligations. The case serves as an example of how traffic-related offenses are often resolved through plea agreements, allowing matters to be settled efficiently while still holding defendants accountable for their actions. The courtroom then shifted its focus to Donovan Lai, whose case took a very different turn. Defense counsel informed the court that the defendant had recently been involved in a serious automobile accident and was dealing with significant injuries, with further medical treatment still ahead. At the same time, attorneys were continuing to review evidence as part of the discovery process. Considering both the defendant's medical condition and the ongoing preparation of the case, the judge decided that moving forward would not be appropriate. Instead, the matter was postponed to give the defense adequate time to examine the evidence and allow the defendant an opportunity to recover before returning to court. This hearing illustrates how judges must often balance procedural requirements with real-world circumstances to ensure that every defendant receives a fair chance to participate in their defense. These two proceedings showcased the different paths a case can take inside a courtroom. One defendant brought his matter to an immediate conclusion by accepting responsibility and receiving a financial penalty, while another was granted additional time due to serious personal circumstances and unresolved legal preparation. Together, the hearings provide viewers with a deeper understanding of how the justice system works behind the scenes, where every decision is shaped not only by the law but also by the unique facts and circumstances surrounding each case.